Oh hi, this is Rob from Lost in Motion, and today we're climbing Snowdon. Our journey begins at the Penny Pass car park at the base of the mountain. Starting off about 359 metres, the route takes on a gentle 200 metre ascent. When the reservoir comes into view, hikers are faced with a choice. They can either cut around left or take on the fearsome Crib Goch. Crib Goch has taken many lives in its time, and so with the clouds coming in and rising wind levels, we did the sensible thing. We skirted around to the left, continuing along the pig track. At the top, we're treated to a spectacular view of white. There is, however, the visitor centre on top. It's unique in the UK, as far as I'm aware, and it's connected by a train to the bottom. Leaving the clouds at the top, we head north. We follow along the tracks for a little bit on our way to Llanberis. Of course, on the way down, that's when the weather picks up, and we are finally treated to some amazing views. That's it. Hope you enjoyed the video, folks. Until next time, keep moving. Peace out.